السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. طلاب الصف الرابع الابتدائي، أهلا بيكم في Connect for Term 1. والنهاردة إن شاء الله هنشرح Unit 1 Lesson 4. وما تنسوش لو عجبكم الفيديو سبسكرايب للقناة، وكمان ما تنسوش تعملوا لايك وشير للفيديو. And now let's start our new vocabulary. Flapjacks, flapjacks. Apartment, apartment. Excited, excited. Worried, worried. Taste good, taste good. Plate, plate. Tea, tea. Ingredients, ingredients. Oats, oats. Butter, butter. Honey, honey. Brown sugar, brown sugar. Salt, salt. Stir, stir. Slice, slice. And now let's read and listen. What is a flapjack? Look at the picture and say, describe the picture. How do the girls feel? Describe this picture and say, how do the girls feel? Read and listen. What is a flapjack? Talia learns to love flapjacks. Talia and Suzanne are good friends. Talia is Egyptian and Suzanne is British. Their parents are friends too. They talk together a lot. They are sad when they say goodbye. One day, Talia and her mom go to Suzanne's apartment. Talia is excited, but she is a bit worried. What is British food? Does it taste good? Suzanne says, please have some tea, Talia. Would you like a flapjack? My mom and I made them. Suzanne has a plate in her hands. On the plate there are big square cookies. Talia looks at the flapjacks. Suzanne, I am very happy you made them for me. But what is a flapjack? She asks. Suzanne says, they are cookies. I make them with oats, butter, and honey. Try a little. Talia's mom smiles too. Talia tries a flapjack. It's delicious. I love it, she says. How do you make them? Suzanne says, it's very easy. Next time you visit us, we can make them together. Talia says, what a great idea. And here we have some questions. Question number 1. Who are Talia and Suzanne? Who are Talia and Suzanne? Talia and Suzanne are good friends. Talia is Egyptian and Suzanne is British. Number 2. Where are they? Where are they? They are at Suzanne's apartment. They are at Suzanne's apartment. Question number 4. Read again and answer. T, true, or F for false. Number 1. Suzanne goes to Talia's apartment. Suzanne goes to Talia's apartment. No, it is false. The true answer is Talia goes to Suzanne's apartment. Talia goes to Suzanne's apartment. Number 2. Suzanne is from Egypt. Suzanne is from Egypt. No, Suzanne isn't from Egypt. You can write F here under this sentence. The true answer is Suzanne is from England and she is British. Number 3. Talia loves flapjacks. Talia loves flapjacks. Yes, it's true. Number 4. Talia wants to make flapjacks. Talia wants to make flapjacks. Yes, it's true. She wants to make flapjacks. Number 5. You need apples to make flapjacks. You need apples to make flapjacks. No, you don't need apples to make flapjacks. You need butter, honey, and oats to make flapjacks. And here we have another question. Find out, read Suzanne's recipe for flapjacks. What is your favorite Egyptian dessert? Find out what the ingredients are and how you can make it. Let's read the ingredients here. Ingredients: 220 grams of butter, 150 grams of brown sugar, 150 grams of honey, 440 grams of oats, and finally 10 grams of salt. And here, this is how Suzanne and her mom make flapjacks. First, melt the butter, sugar, and honey in a large pan over low heat, and then add oats and salt, and then stir well. Bake for 20 minutes, and when the flapjacks are cold, slice into small squares. And now, let's learn some phonics. Short vowels and long vowels. Listen to these two words to recognize the difference between the short and the long vowels. Listen carefully. Bag, bag, cake, cake. Here we have the short vowel a, bag, and here we have the long a, cake. And then mom, nose, mom, nose. Here we have the short o sound, and here we have the long o, nose. And here we have mix, rice, mix, rice. We have the short e here, and here we have the long I. And here we have a very easy question. Look at the pictures and complete the words. Bag, cake, mom, nose, mix, and rice. And now let's go to another part of the lesson. The prefix re means again. Re means again. Let's read these examples to make it clear. I heated my dinner again in the microwave. I heated my dinner again in the microwave. You can here omit again and put the re here, the prefix re before the verb heated to become reheated. And the sentence here becomes I reheated my dinner in the microwave. It's very easy. Her paragraph was not good, so she wrote it again. Her paragraph was not good, so she wrote it again. You can omit again and add the prefix re before the verb wrote. So if you notice here, the verb wrote become rewrote to mean that you did this action twice or again and again. So the sentence becomes here paragraph. Her paragraph was not good, so she rewrote it. Read and change the verbs with re. The prefix re means again. The next day, wash the scrape with soap and water again. Redo the band-aid. Here, re means you have to put the band-aid again to repeat the action. And here we have some sentences. He painted his house again. He painted his house again. Omit again and replace it with re, the prefix re, before the verb to mean that you repeated the action. He repainted his house. He repainted his house. And then number 2, she cleaned her bike again. Omit again and put re, the prefix re, before the verb cleaned to become recleaned. She recleaned her bike. She recleaned her bike. Number 3, he made flapjacks again. Omit again and add the prefix re here before the verb made to become he remade flapjacks again. He remade flapjacks again. And finally number 4, she did her homework again. Omit again and put re before the verb did to become she redid her homework. She redid her homework. And now let's learn some math. Smaller than. 3 is smaller than 5. 3 is smaller than 5. Bigger than. 5 is bigger than 3. 5 is bigger than 3. Equals. 5 equals 5. 5 equals 5. Ascending order. You start from the smallest numbers to the largest ones. And here we have some numbers. You want to read them, comparing large digits, ascending order. Look and say, let's read these numbers. 544,000 and 432. 178,880. And here we have an exercise. Put the correct sign, smaller than, bigger than, or equals. Number 1, 655,534 is smaller than 698,881. Number 2, 10 million equals 10 million. And number 3, 100 million is bigger than 99,999,999. And here we have a very easy question. Arrange these numbers in ascending order. Arrange these numbers in ascending order. You have to start from the smallest number to the largest one. But let's read these numbers. 87,909, 87,992, 87,092, 87,990. Number 2, 233,346, 10,009, 20,665. Number 3, 20,000, 20,310, 19,311. I will leave this question for you. It's very easy. And now find out the here is a bit of information. The numerical digits we use today, 1, 2, and 3, are based on the Hindu-Arabic numeral system. This system was developed over 1,000 years ago. Can you find the smallest 5-digit number? Of course, the smallest 5-digit number is 10,000. And this is the end of our video. Study hard, stay safe, stay healthy, and stay tuned. Until next time, bye-bye.